right now. You are now tuned in. Pen Crispy. I'm still going.
So what is going on, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be doing a birthday tag / makeup video. My birthday passed already, but I'm still going to do it. My birthday was July 8th, as well as my son's. So both of our birthday is on July 8th. And if you all hear a toy or singing, that's his toys. So yeah, our birthday just passed July 8th. That was Sunday. And yeah. Alright, so what I just put on my face was this pore filler. And if I'm looking over to the side, I'm looking at a mirror.
Spin the wheel to play with the animals.
Alright, so next, I'm not going to do a dramatic makeup look. Alright, so I'm just going to start by priming my eyelids with my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this is in medium beige. I'm going to have to insert some pictures from my birthday. Okay, let's get with these questions. Alright, so it is called the birthday tag. And the first question is, when is your birthday? My birthday is July 8th. As well as my son. If you all are new to my channel, me and my son have the same birthday. As well as my dad. So my daddy, me, and my son, we all got the same birthday. We all have the same birthday, as I should say. For my outer corner, I'm going to be taking this red. This is called Butter Cake. This shade, I'm putting that on my outer corner. Okay, the second question is, how old are you turning? Or if your birthday just recently passed, how old did you turn? So I turned 21 and my son turned 2. And then on top of that, I'm going to take this peachy color. This is called Champs. Put that in the same area. Okay, question number 3. What was your favorite present that you've received? Money, because that's all I really want. So money, I would say. Alright, so for my lid, I'm going to be taking this shade, and this is called Bling, and putting that all over my lid. Alright, question number 4. Did you have a party this year? If so, what are you doing, or what did you do? I went to a place called Bolero, where you bowl, play laser tag, stuff like that. And then we also had a party back at home. So that's what we did. Alright, so I'm going to be applying my Miss 3D Lash. But I'm going to go ahead and answer the next question, which is question number 5. So, the question is, how do you usually celebrate your birthday? Usually, we go out of town, like the whole family. We usually go out of town because we have so many birthdays in July, and they're so close together that we just usually go out of town. Alright, now for my wing liner, I'm going to be taking this NYX gel liner and creating my wing. Alright, so question number 6. What is the most memorable birthday you've had? I would say 2015. 2015 when he was born, my son was born. You know? We have the same birthday, so. Alright, so I'm just going to correct with this concealer. I'm just going to do like these light spots. Find the next question. Alright, so the next one is, if you had an unlimited amount of money, what would you do for your birthday? I would travel. I would travel to all the places that I really want to go. Alright, so I'm going to be using my Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and this is in the shade 330 Toffee Caramel. Alright, the next question is, what's your birthday wish list? I don't even have one. I actually don't even have one. Okay. If you only had one birthday left, what would you do for your birthday? Of course, I would travel. Travel to different countries, different states. Just travel. And the main places I want to go is California and Paris and Hawaii. Alright, so to highlight, I'm going to be using my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this is in medium beige. This is about one shade lighter than me. No, I say 2. 2 shades lighter than me. Okay, the next question is, show a picture from your birthday, preferably embarrassing. I don't even have any embarrassing pictures. from my birthday, but I could show you guys the pictures from this birthday. They're not embarrassing at all, so. Alright, so I'm just gonna bake my highlights. And then the next question is, do you have any birthday traditions? No, not that I know of, no. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and dust that away. Alright, so I'm going to contour with this Maybelline Fit Me powder. This is actually like a foundation powder, but I'm just going to use this as a oh God. I'm just going to use it as a contour. And this is in the shade Mocha. Alright, so for my lower lash line, I'm just going to take this brown, and this is in Mischief, but the color is called Mischief. Okay, question number 12. What is your favorite part about your birthday? I actually don't have a favorite part. I like the whole day. I enjoy the whole day. Question number 13. What's one thing that changed a lot since your last birthday? Okay, from last year's birthday, I would say nothing changed, but from 2015, the birthday in 2015, I would say just sharing my birthday with someone else. Having my birthday on the same exact day as mine. Alright, so that was all of the questions, but I'm just going to go ahead and finish this look. Ooh. Alright, so I'm going to be highlighting with this Wet n Wild Crown of My Canopy. So the last thing I need to add is my lip gloss, and I'm going to be using a lip liner. This is by Palladio and this is called Nutmeg. I'm just going to line my lips and then add the gloss. And I'm just going to add this clear gloss. I don't know if I like this color. Where is my... Oh no. I don't think I like this color with this eye. Not at all. So let's just start over. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed the tag. If you did, please make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. And also, turn on the post notifications so you don't miss a thing. Thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.